Want you to call everybody you know that wrote this JAMB, especially those of them that are underage, those of them that are, I think, 16 and below and all the rest, that JAMB withheld their result. We have gotten a good news for them. N.H.S, who is the CEO of Educare, he is actually the one that has been helping us in this issue of trying to ensure that JAMB does the right thing. But this massive failure, he was instrumental in ensuring that they rewrote the exam, there was rescission of the exam, and I think yesterday he said he will be meeting with the JAMB board to decide on the way forward. Part of the way forward is what he tweeted just a few minutes ago, and that is what I'm giving to you. In our channel, I give you breaking news, up-to-date news, up-to-date information as it is dropping. If you know any underage candidate, you know, there was actually no reason why JAMB should collect money from them, make them to sit for the exam, and say that only those that score 320 and above will see the result. So no, that is not very good. So N.H.S has been on the matter, and he said, he just tweeted, it has been agreed by JAMB that all underage candidate results will be released. All underage candidates results by JAMB. All those that were 16 years and below that wrote this UTME, their result will be released by JAMB. And he said that he will share full details. So this information is just for you. He said, good news. I am very excited. Are you excited? If you are affected in any way by JAMB, if your score is low, you want to rewrite, if you were victimized in any way, you've been trying to check your result, you have not been able to see it. If there is any issue with your result, let me know. What you have to do is just go ahead, join our YouTube channel, click on join our YouTube channel right now so you can get all updates, all information. Then finally, also like this video now. Just click on like right now. Also, click on share this video to everybody that wrote JAMB that you know. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video, tell me you have subscribed, then tell me your issue, tell me your state you wrote, tell me the score they gave you, and tell me the issue you are having of how you want me to help you right now. There's a video on the screen, click on it and watch immediately.